Come on. Look up at the camera. Show your mommy your scarf so the wind doesn't blow in your ears. Right? So the wind doesn't blow in my ears. It hurts. Look at me. Chloe. You hear that bird? Do you hear that? Huh? Grampy's gonna laugh at you with your scarf on. Your little babushka. Huh?